Hi everyone, my name is Michael and today I'll be making a chef knife that I got from creativeman.com. The kit starts at $99, but I changed a few parts and mine ended up costing $108. The kit I got came with the 195mm chef blade, 1/4 inch brass pins, blue spacer material and stabilised black palm handle scales. Alright, so let's get into the build. see, we finished the knife. It was a pretty simple build, like I said. It was pretty much just putting the handles on. Although I did stuff up and I forgot to put in the blue spacer material. But it doesn't really matter. I still like the look of it. The knife, when it ships out, it's actually quite sharp. I'll show you how sharp it is. There's a paper test. You know, how good is that? That's straight from Creative Man. So you don't really have to do any sharpening. Although I might do a little bit more sharpening just to fix it up that tiny bit more. But overall, I'm pretty happy with it. And it's a good build if you're just someone starting out and wanting to get into the hobby maybe and have a go at making something. You don't really need many tools. So if you're interested in making this knife or any others that creativeman.com have on their website, I'll put the link in the description so you can just go on there and check out what they have. Well, this is my first YouTube video I've ever made. So let me know what you think about it, whether the audio was alright or the music or the video. So I'm just learning and it's a bit of a hobby for me. So thanks guys.